Presenting the Kia 2015 Soul Base. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 130 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and center console, full with covered storage. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.